Good morning guys, it's Monday. Oh no, di na makita yung hagdanan namin dito guys, oh. Puno na talaga. Ayan. Iwan ko kung makadrive ako nito. Let's measure it.
Well, it's
Yeah.
not. It's
Huh?
not much there.
Not much here. Here is this is in our front only.
About 7 inches then.
Around like 6 inches. Dito lang yan sa front namin. Grabe guys, oh, sobrang kapal talaga. Iwan ko kung makalabas tayo nito. Pero sabi ng boss namin mamaya pang 10 daw kami papasok. Ingat kayo guys sa pag-drive.